This is so aesthetically pleasing, and it's very small, like it's my size of my hand, so it fits pretty much anywhere we need it to fit. I also love that if you don't have the timer on it and you leave it for overnight, none of these lights will be on, which is one of my biggest complaints with most sound machines. There's always a light, and if your baby is sensitive, then that's bad. So I'm gonna play some of these sounds. This thing gets loud. I haven't put it to its highest volume because I just think that it's gonna be too loud. These are the fan options. And I also like anytime you start over from the different sounds, it gives you that ding sound so that you know, and you're not just like wondering what's the first sound that you approached. And we have some nature sounds. Womb sound, that's super nice, especially for newborns. Lullaby. Hi, sweet. And that one is going to be the one that we try out for tonight. And this little one is very curious about it. Isn't it pretty? Yeah.